Welcome back everyone, Tina here, and in this video today I'm going to show you how you can collect payments via the surveys. It is now possible to connect products to your service. So let's say you're a personal trainer, for example, and you hand out an intake form to your new clients. They have to fill out different questions so that you can create a personalized workout plan. And now it is possible for them in the final step or in any step in between the survey to just make the payment, so everything is done and dusted. Let me show you how you can set this up. All right, first click on Sites on the left, Surveys at the top, then click on Builder and either create a new survey by clicking the Add Survey button, or you select a survey that you already created. So let's select this one right here, and ta-da, here we go. This survey has already 2 slides. So let's say we would add another few questions to the first slide, right? Single line. Just imagine these are custom values, custom questions, which you can obviously, custom fields, which you can obviously select here and create new ones. Today's date, whatever you want to ask. If you're a personal trainer, then you ask, for example, what's your current weight? How much do you want to lose? And so on and so forth, right? Then the second slide, let's say, is also more questions. And then let's add another slide. And here under payments, you can see the new options. You can either sell products or collect payments. Now let's drag and drop that over. Let's click on the actual element, and on the right hand side you can see the menu that you have to work with right now. You can see this is set to test mode. If you would switch that button, it would be live. So let's go back to test mode for now. You can click the drop down menu here and decide whether you want to sell products or just collect payments. If you stay with sell products, you can see here one product has already been selected. If you want to add more products, you just click on add product, click the drop down menu, and then you will see all of the different things here, all of the different products right here in that list that you have previously created under payments and then products. If you, for whatever reason, don't have a product set up just yet, you just click here. It will forward you to the payments product section, and that's the area where you can then create a new product. Ta-da, here we go. So click create new product, and then you would fill out this information, go back to your survey, and then it would show up in the drop-down menu right here. You could also decide if you wanted to show description, image, or quantity. Let's leave that empty in this case. Let's just keep that one course as the product. Scroll down, and then here you can decide whether or not you would like to show this particular announcement. Payment will be processed as soon as the user proceeds to the next slide. If you turn this on, you will see that little notification showing up right here. Okay, so you can decide whether or not to show that. If you decide you don't want to show that, you just turn that off right here. Then right here, the label, you can change the wording around the label if you wish so. You can enable or disable coupons. So in case you want to create a coupon, click on payments on the left, coupons at the top, just create a new coupon and then attach it to the survey. And whenever people are filling out the survey and making the payment, they can enter their coupon code right here. Then we have the layout settings. A single column is selected right now. We can split it into 2 or 3 columns. Let's keep it at single column for now. You can select multiple products or single products, really up to you. And then you can also modify the placeholder down here, 100% secure and safe payments. You can change the wording around it, or you can decide to just hide it by check marking this little box right here. Let's keep it turned on. We like that. And that's it for selling products. If you for some reason want to collect payments, you switch to collect payments, and then you can see here people can select their particular amount that they want to spend. So maybe you're collecting donations and you want the user to decide themselves how much they donate, then they can select one of the suggestions or just simply click other amount and then type the amount they would like to donate. Now please remember that once the customer submits the survey, in this case this would be the last slide, right? Once they move to the next step, in this case submit the survey, the payment will automatically be already made. Now let's hit save top right corner. Let's click integrate. Let's take a link. Let's open a link in a new tab. And this is how the survey would look like. They would fill out the survey, hit next, fill out the second slide, hit next, and right here they'll be able to select the amount. So let's say we would like to decide our own amount. We click that and then say 100, right? See, this is still in test mode right here. If you go back to the back end, you see right here it's in test mode, okay? So let's test it. Let's type a test card in here. So 424242 is always a testing card. Let's hit submit. Ta-da! Thank you for taking the time to complete this survey. Obviously, on the thank you page, you would put a bit more effort in, which you would do under the survey settings right here, top right corner, styles and options. Then you go to options, click on submit. You can select between open a URL if you have a custom funnel URL you want to show, if you want to type your own message, or show the order confirmation. Right now the own message is turned on. You can modify it right here. Okay, now let's say this is not collect payments, this is sell products. Let's hit save. Let's click integrate. Let's open it in a new tab. Let's fill out the survey real quick. Hit next again. And right here, you can see the product that's being sold. So they would be able to select it. If you're selling several different products, they would show up in a row right here. They can also select the quantity, how many of those items they would like to buy. Here is where they would enter the coupon code. Here's the order summary again. You see again, it's test mode. You would do the same thing. You just type in the test card. Customer obviously would type in their recard, and that's it. I hope you like this feature, which will help you to simplify the onboarding process of your new clients, which includes the data collection and the payment in a single flow, which ensures that you as a service provider or coach will be paid in advance before the service gets delivered. I will see you in the next video.